probably the scariest video that I've ever posted on social media, but I really just want to show you guys how I've been living for the past year and a half. Last year, I hired some people to help me renovate my house and do some tasks that I wasn't comfortable doing myself, and I was documenting the process, but I quickly stopped when I realized that everything was botched and had to be redone. There was faulty electrical work with unsafe wires hanging out and most of the outlets around the house just not working anymore. Stairs were ripped out and damaged, so I had to replace it with a ladder. The subfloor was done incorrectly and needs to be ripped out and fixed in a lot of places. The door frames ended up being pieced together.
I feel so bad for this girl. This looks like such a nightmare. And if you've ever done renovations, or if you are a real estate investor and you flip or renovate houses for a living, you've probably dealt with this to some degree, because it is hard to find good contractors. If you want to avoid something like this happening to you, make sure you check out our blog at doratusacademy.com. I wrote a blog post about this with a bunch of helpful tips about how to find and hire good contractors, where to find them, how to write up your contract, little tips like never pay the full amount up front, and a bunch of stuff like that. So make sure you check that out so that hopefully this does not happen to you.